Welcome to Asgard, an architectural triumph perched 400 meters above sea level, where design, nature, and luxury unite. Commanding 11.6 acres atop Mount Mellum in the Glasshouse Mountains, Asgard isn't just a home, it's a sanctuary. Designed by acclaimed architect Dan Sparks and winner of the Australian Institute of Architects Commendation Award, this 2020 masterpiece offers uninterrupted 360-degree views of the hinterland, coastline, and iconic glasshouse peaks. Crafted to merge with its surroundings, the main residence showcases an L-shaped dual pavilion design. Expansive glazed walls invite the outside in, while the striking Shou Sugi Ban Ironbark cladding adds both elegance and durability. Inside, refined materials like tongue and groove oak flooring and engineered black granite set the tone for a warm, contemporary aesthetic. The living pavilion features a state-of-the-art kitchen with Miele appliances, a zip sparkling water system, and a butler's pantry. The open-plan lounge and dining area flow seamlessly onto a full-length deck with a built-in barbecue, ideal for entertaining with a view. The master retreat offers a spa-like ensuite and walk-in robe, while 3 additional ensuited bedrooms, a flexible lounge, study nook, and a partially subterranean level with a gym, sauna, and 5th bedroom make this home incredibly versatile. Luxury continues outdoors with an infinity-edge solar-heated pool, multiple fire pits, and manicured grounds home to wallabies, deer, and rare butterflies. A second architect-designed residence offers further space for guests, Airbnb, or creative pursuits. Asgard isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle, a destination, a rare opportunity to own a piece of the sky.